Hey there! Today, I'm going to walk you through the process of installing Python and PyCharm so that you can start coding in Python without any hassle. Let's dive right in. Firstly, let's begin with Python installation. Python is a popular programming language used by developers worldwide. To get started, head over to the official Python website, python.org, and navigate to the Downloads section. Here, you'll find the latest version of Python available for download. Choose the version that matches your operating system, whether you're on Windows, macOS, or Linux. Once you've downloaded the Python installer, run the file to start the installation process. Make sure to check the box that says Add Python to Path during the installation, as this will allow you to access Python from the command line. Next, let's move on to PyCharm installation. PyCharm is a powerful integrated development environment, IDE, specifically designed for Python development. To install PyCharm, go to the JetBrains website and download the version that suits your operating system. Once the PyCharm installer is downloaded, run the file and follow the on-screen instructions. During the installation, you can choose the installation location as well as other optional settings. Once the installation is complete, you're ready to run PyCharm. After launching PyCharm, you'll be prompted to set up a new project or open an existing one. Choose the option that suits your needs, and you'll be greeted with an intuitive interface to start coding in Python. And there you have it. You've successfully installed Python and PyCharm, and you're all set to start writing Python code. Feel free to explore the vast functionality of PyCharm and enjoy coding with Python. Remember, practice makes perfect. So get those creative coding juices flowing and have fun while you're at it. Good luck with your Python journey.